Hey guys, this is DK Spencer, and this is a waste of time that you're looking at right here. So, me and Sean Kempter were talking one time, and he said that he had heard you're not supposed to, interchange VKS parts or whatever. Well, I am here to tell you that at least as far as some of the quad rails go, that is true. So, I was gonna fix up some of these, Cerakote some of these, to make like some accessory kits, right? So I sandblast everything all together. Didn't pay attention to what goes with what because I assume it's all the same. So, nope. So they don't line up. The screws. So basically, this would go like this. So those are lined up there. And down here, no, they're about that much off. So, I don't know if you can see that or not. So anyway, so now I have a sniper gray one that fits on, sniper gray upper that fits on a Magpul flat dark earth lower. Yay. So I'm either gonna re-sandblast them, or half of them anyway, or wait and see if I can maybe find another one that fits one or the other or whatever. Shouldn't be a problem. Got one sitting out there in a box right now. Let's go find out.